Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is granny square bag we will be completing today. That's the final result. To find out how to join granny square into such bag shape, you can see one of my previous video. As well, I have a separate video on how to create this granny square style strap for the purse. I will show you how to decorate this bag and as well assemble the stripe to the bag so it will look great. This won't take a long time, so all you need is your bag, the stripe you will attach today, and some of the yarn to have a band all around the top of the purse to which we will be joining the stripe. I will be using the light green color and will start from the corner to go all around the purse and 3.5mm hook. I will be doing double crochet in each space around the bag, as well joining the stripe with the double crochets to the purse. I will start with making a slip stitch to easily join the new yarn to the bag. I prefer to start from the side of the purse where the handle when the stripe will be joined, so the later on leftover yarn will be easier for me to hide. The hook into the stitch you want to start from, then place on the hook the slip knot you already made and pull through the loop, then chain 2 to start your double crochets. I will do double crochets all around the purse except of the spots where the handlers will be joined. On that spots I will be doing also double crochets, but 2 double crochets in one space. I will show you later how I done that. Now I'm on the side where I will be joining the stripe. So I will be joining it into these 4 spaces. And I will start from the corner of the stripe. It should be chains there. So I will make a double crochet, then I will pull this loop through the corner. of the stripe. So the same loop will be inside. A lot of ways exist to join the handler to the bag. For example, you can pull the loop through, then make a chain here, like to secure the stripe, or you can continue doing the double crochet from this way. So for example, like that, you're pulling through the next chain space, the yarn, and pulling through the existing loop, you're securing this way, and continue with making the double crochets. You may do one double crochet into the next chain, or make a few of them to have some other type of view of pattern. Like, it depends how you join this. I will be doing two double crochets into the chain space of the granny squares, because I have like a big gap there, and it will be a nicer view from my point of view, but you may do any other type of joining if you want. And now I will be joining the other side of the stripe exactly the same way as I joined the previous side. But firstly I need to make sure that I will have the straight stripe, so it's facing up to the front side of the purse. And as you can see, I also have two chains, two spaces left to join the stripe. So I will start as well from the corner side of the stripe where we had the chains. It's here, and we'll pull this loop through this space. Be sure to have enough length of your loop to easily pull that through and catch it with your hook. And then remember to join here at the first chain, at the first loop, with the slip stitch. Now it's ready, we have our stripe attached to our bag. I will pull enough yarn to hide it later on and to secure it. And that's all at the moment. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe if you would like to see more interesting video about home DIY, not just crochet related videos. Thank you very much. Bye!